Hey guys, it's Dawn Beltrami from Wellsell Properties, and it is freaking Friday. Do I have the showcase home of the week for you? This home is located at 204 East 31st Street. It's located in the Independence Heights Park area, right behind the brand new Whole Foods 365. And you have got to come and check this out at this week's open house. I'm gonna have an open house here on Saturday from 1 to 3. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom that has been completely taken down to its foundation with all the 1947 bungalow charm kept in the home. Look at this amazing kitchen behind me. We're gonna walk this house. Tell me what you think. So here, guys, in the front of the house, you have this beautiful deck that's been put on with all of this new wood flooring. And then you walk into the home. You have wood floors throughout. When you first walk in to the right, you have a really nice size office. Again, the wood floors. And then you come through, you have an open dining room, plenty of space for you and your family. And then it's completely open between the living room and the kitchen space. And the kitchen overlooks a huge backyard with a beautiful deck with a pergola on it. You have all new cabinets, gas cooktop, dishwasher, tile backsplash, corian countertops, huge refrigerator coming with it, and then of course this granite island with these beautiful pendant lights over it. Look at this open concept here. This is so nice, plenty of room for you and your family. Off from the living room, you have your full 3rd bathroom, stall shower with all the stone, and then you walk down and you have your laundry room. Then on the opposite side of the secondary bedrooms, you have the full master suite. This is a large size master, again with the wood floors continuing in this room as well. You come into this beautiful bathroom with the slipper tub, the large stall shower with beautiful stone, and you have the double sinks with plenty of cabinet space. And then also you have a nice size closet. This is a his and her situation. First closet here in the master bathroom, and then you have the secondary closet over here inside the master bedroom. You also have these wonderful private patio doors that go out to the patio area with the pergola. Okay guys, is this a beautiful house or what? This house has been completely rebuilt. You've got to come check it out. Come see me this Saturday between 1 and 3. And guys, if you need to contact me, my information will be at the end of this video. Don't forget about the interactive link that's below showing you all the homes that are having open houses this weekend. If you'd like to see this home or any additional home with a private showing, please don't hesitate to give me a call, and tune in next week for the next Showcase Home of the Week.